Hello, I'm Ruchita Vitkar. I have completed my graduation in computer engineering. I enrolled for a data science with a Python from ETLHive Institute. My trainer was Vaibhav sir. I went to other institute and their syllabus. They are promising to complete their syllabus in 2-3 months, which is impossible. But fortunately, I found one which was actually have a deep knowledge about data science and their syllabus also good. That was a Weber sir classes. The way his teaching is very good, and especially for those students who don't belongs to IT background. He teaches each topic in a simplest and easiest way, and with the real life examples and the tech and that everyone can understand. He teach every topic using different platforms like tables, plot diagrams, ppts. He make it in front of us and teach us. He also clear our doubt at that moment. He write a code in front of us. And talking about topic coverage, he covered everything which was committed on a day one class. I would like to, we are planning to go for a data science. I would like to recommend you go for a Weber classes because I have experienced it.